colorful birdseed. My question was, do birds prefer colorful birdseed over normal colored birdseed? My hypothesis was if I put blue, red, and plain colored birdseed in separate bird feeders, then the birds will be more attracted to the colored birdseed than the normal colored birdseed. The materials I used were 3 bird feeders, blue and red natural food coloring, 1 to 2 pounds of birdseed, some bowls, and some spoons. First, collect your materials. Second, pour the birdseed into 3 separate bowls. Third, in the first bowl, mix in red natural food coloring. Fourth, for the second bowl, mix in blue natural coloring. Fifth, leave the third bowl colorless. 6. Dump each bowl of seed into 3 separate feeders. 7. Select an outside location to hang your bird feeders close together, not too close. 8. Record the amount of seed left in the feeder each day using a roller. My results surprised me because I thought that the birds would be more attracted to the colorful birdseed, but it turns out that they were more attracted to the plain birdseed. I don't know if the food coloring made the birdseed taste different, but the birds didn't seem to like it nearly as much. I also noticed that there was only one type of bird eating from the feeders. I think it might have been a chickadee. Sorry about that. It is strange that absolutely none of the red birdseed was eaten, but I assume that it's because the color red is a sign of aggression. This is my result graph. It's kind of confusing, but for the blue, the first day, none of the birdseed was eaten. Same with the second day, but on the third day, 5.5 inches were remaining, and then on the fourth day, 5.5 inches were still remaining because none of it was eaten. And then on the fifth day, 5 1/4 inches were remaining, and then the sixth day, 5 inches were remaining. Same with day 7. For red, none of it was eaten throughout the whole week, so it just stayed the same. For the plain birdseed, on the first day, 6 inches were remaining, and then on the second day, 5.5 inches were remaining, and then on the third day, 5 inches were remaining, and then the fourth day it stayed the same as the third day, and then on the fifth day, 4 7/8 were remaining, and then on the sixth day, 4 5/8 were remaining, and then on the seventh day, 4.5 inches were remaining. My hypothesis was incorrect. The birds ate more plain birdseed, therefore they are not more attracted to colorful birdseed. Next time I recommend doing this experiment in drier weather because I noticed that the birds didn't eat as much seed on rainy days. My project can apply to the real world because now I know that the birds are attracted to some colors more than others, and people who like birds can benefit from this project because they know what colors will attract birds to their yard and which colors will warn against birds. The sites I used were ScienceBob, ColorMeanings.com, and Avian Avenue. Thank you, Ms. Stevens, for helping me with my project and answering my questions. That's all.